Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all will be good. Okay. Today we will do the page number 18 of Summer Pack Workbook. Yes, today I will deliver the lecture number 13. Okay. Open your page number 18. Yes, this is your page number 18. Write down the date and day on the top of the page. Okay. First, read the statement. Look and write. Read book page 2 to 20 and find the birds. Then write beginning sound of their names. We have already done the animal's name. Today we will do the first letter of the bird's name. Okay. Firstly, you will read your book page 2 to 20 and then find the birds from your book and learn their beginning sound. Write it here. Okay. Tell the name of first bird. What is it? Yes, duck. It is duck. Very nice. It is duck. 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 Very nice. The D sound. Yes, the D has the D sound. We will make D like this. Make an anti-clockwise circle. Go then up. Come down. Make a little tail. What is this? D. D. Okay. Tell the name of next bird. Eagle. 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 Yes. We will write here the lowercase e. Lowercase e. Yes. Make e like this. Touch the base line. What is this? E. E. Okay. What is the next bird? Goose. 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 Yes. Goose first letter is G. Goose. Make an anti-clockwise circle. Then go up. Come down. Yes. Touch the last line. What is this? G. Goose. What is this? Hen. Yes. Which letter has the sound? Yes, the H has the sound. Make H here, write H. Make a straight line, go down, then go up. Yes, like this, and become a little tail. What is this? H, hen. H, hen. Okay, tell me the next letter, next bird name. What is this? Kiwi. Okay. K, kiwi. We will write here lowercase k. Make a straight line, then go up like this. Yes, make a little tail. What is this? Kiwi. Kiwi. Okay. What is the next bird? Owl. O owl. Owl. Yes. What will be right here? O. Make O the lowercase o. What is this? O. Owl. Okay. Tell me the next bird name. Yes. What is this? Wow, this is a beautiful bird. Name is ostrich. Ostrich. Yes. The sound is O. Okay. We will write here O. Like this. This is a yes. Ostrich. Ostrich. What is the next bird? Parrot. Parrot. P. Parrot. P. Parrot. Which letter has the P sound? Yes. P. P. We will write here P, the lowercase. Make a straight line, touch the baseline. And now make a clockwise circle. What is this? Clockwise half circle. What is this? P, 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 P. Okay, tell me the last bird name. Yes, pigeon. Pigeon. What is this? Pigeon. Yes, the pigeon has also P sound. P sound. What we will write here? P. P. Pigeon. P. P. Pigeon. Okay. You have done this page very beautifully. Okay, do this page at your home. Page number 18. Okay. Take care and Allah Hafiz, students.